It's great just to see our students open up, share an experience that they probably won't share with people in Hong Kong.
This trip made me realize how lucky I am to be born in a first world country. And that makes me want to change the world for a better place, for people in places like Vietnam, that they can have upward mobility and to improve their lives. That is my main takeaway for the trip.
There are so many things that we cannot show them in the classroom, and having the opportunity to go on this trip with them is also, I think it's also very precious for me, and I'm also learning with them. So maybe I'm not an educator, but I'm also a learner with them, that I will stay with them and hopefully have some insights on this trip, and then that I can discuss with them to inspire them. But I think most of the time they inspired me. Yeah, so what we can do is to provide more opportunities for them to learn.
The first thing I noticed are the smiles on the kids' face. They're really welcoming and warm, and when they're holding the flowers and giving it to us, I felt my heart melting because they are really energetic.
I really believe that this event is really meaningful and would really contribute to making a world to a better place.
CAS trips definitely worth doing.